everyone, and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. If you are new, my name is Carolyn. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope you will consider sticking around and subscribing, and if you do, make sure that you introduce yourself in the comments all the way at the bottom so that I can get to know you. So 4th of July is right around the corner. I can't believe it, but it is. And so today I am going to be sharing with you a really easy summer dessert that is perfect for bringing to a 4th of July celebration. It is a red, white, and blueberry trifle. It's an easy, no-bake dessert, so it's great for not heating up your kitchen. I hope you enjoy it. Give it a try. If you do, leave me a comment and let me know how you liked it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy yummy summer desserts, and subscribe to my channel if you are new.
On my window pane, don't bother me, it's all the same. Where did I go wrong? Another day to wait for you to sit around's all I can do. Thought that I'd be strong.
To begin, you want to get started by prepping your fruit. You of course want to thoroughly wash your strawberries and your blueberries, and then you want to cut up all your strawberries into slices. Next, just grab your angel food cake and cut that up into about 1-inch pieces. And if you want to sneak a taste of a piece or two, that's completely fine. I call that quality control. Now we get to make this yummy cream filling. You're going to start by adding the sweetened condensed milk and the cold water and whisking that up. You can do this by hand, but I'm speeding up the process by using my hand mixer. Then grab your package of instant pudding mix and whisk that in for 2 minutes. Then just let it stand for about another 2 minutes until it's set. Once the pudding has firmed up a little bit, you just want to scoop out all of your thawed whipped topping and gently fold it in. Like I mentioned before, using a white colored pudding is definitely preferred, but the lemon mixed with the frozen whipped topping still looked great. Is the really fun part. We get to arrange it all in our trifle dish. So you're going to start by taking half of your cake pieces and arranging it at the bottom. Then you want to sprinkle an even layer of blueberries and top those with half of the cream mixture and gently spread it all across. Then you're going to top that with a layer of strawberries and repeat this process again. Now, if you don't have a trifle dish, don't worry, you can always use a really big glass bowl. If you have one, it's still going to taste just as good. After you have spread out your second layer of the cream mixture, you want to arrange the remaining strawberries and blueberries in a pretty pattern. If you are creative, you could always do it in some sort of star or flag pattern if you're doing this for a 4th of July celebration, but I just went with this simple circular pattern. This is such a beautiful dessert. It is sure to impress everyone, even though it was so easy to put together. It is so light and tasty. It's really the perfect summer dessert for any occasion.
Alright, so that is it. I told you it would be quick and easy. I hope that you'll give this recipe a try and bring it to a 4th of July celebration this summer. Leave me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you on Sunday with a brand new video. Bye!